Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to block someone on Instagram. So let's get into it. First of all, open the Instagram app. From the Instagram homepage, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Locate the account you want to block by using the search feature or by scrolling through your list of followers. Press the three horizontal dots at the top right corner of the screen. Press block. Then press block again to confirm. So that's all for this video, guys. If this video was helpful, please give us a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out our new uploads. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.